Bright Glassware was found in 2005, which is the supplier of 80% fragrance brands and home decoration in the European countries. Bright keep engaged in various of candle holder, bathroom accessories, perfume bottles and diffuser bottles, borosilicate glass and related accessories. We have a strong technical and design team, and strict quality management system. We have our own factory and packaging to service our customers. We have strict processes enable us to maintain an acceptance rate above 99%. We have cooperated with the branch our store, Yankee Candle, MH, Joe Malone, Moore, Lipton etc., with a strictly control system on product quality. Bright adapts extra 6 steps for inspection of shipments. No major quality complaints on products produced for 9 consecutive years. With our strong support, customers rapidly developing from small workshop to industry leaders. We get your ideas becoming creative fragrance products and sell them very well in the market.